Welcome to Waking Your Third Eye, a spiritual treasure chest guided meditation. As we begin this meditation, find a quiet, relaxing space where you will not be disturbed. Soon you will be traveling inwards, and to get the most out of this meditation, it is best to create an environment for yourself where you will not be called back to the waking world until our time together draws to a close. As you close your eyes, allow yourself to sink deeply into yourself. Focus on your breath, beginning to let the sounds and sensations of the outside world fade away as you become comfortable with your breath and the darkness behind your eyelids. Breathe in calm and quiet, and exhale noise and distraction. Allow your breath to be your guide as you journey deeper within yourself. When you are fully in tune with the silence, let your mind's eye begin to notice a rich blue light far below you. It swirls gently, a never-ending flow of royal blue light. As you descend deeper within yourself, it grows larger, more intense, welcoming you on your journey to wisdom and intuition. Soon it fills your vision, beckoning you closer. You sink through it, feeling a rush of peace and contentment as it touches your skin. As the blue light fades away, you find yourself in an underground cave like you have never experienced before. Although the cave is miles underground, a gentle white light bounces off the walls, which are inlaid with pearls and moonstone. Under your feet lies lush green grass, soft and soothing to the touch. Far, far overhead, you can see what may be the ceiling or the night sky, glittering with stars. At the opposite end of the cave, vibrant in the soft light, is an enormous tree covered in glossy green leaves. Intuitively, you know that this tree is ancient, far older than you or even your great-grandparents, and yet it resides within you. Allow yourself to approach the tree. Step up on the raised platform it is planted in. Feel its cool, rough bark, the waxy smoothness of its leaves. As you greet the tree, you sense that it has something to give you. Underneath your hands, a door appears in the tree trunk and swings open, revealing stairs that lead even further underground. You must descend these stairs and enter the chamber that is guarded by the very roots of the tree itself. You know you will be safe from all harm, and so you begin your journey down the steps. Every step you take wakes your third eye, creating a pleasant, glowing, pulsing sensation between your eyebrows. This is your third eye rising from its slumber. Let yourself continue downwards, becoming more and more aware of your awakening power. You take the last few steps down the stairs and emerge in another room, similar to the one that held the tree. This one, however, is lined in deep blue sapphires, which sparkle in the light cast by small white candles which seem to hover in the air. There are a number of pedestals in this room lovingly carved from many different kinds of wood. Each holds a golden chest of varying sizes, but all with the same intricate scrollwork. You realize immediately that these chests hold priceless gifts for you, treasures which until now you have not been ready to accept. Now, however, you carry the key that will unlock each of them. Pick a column and approach the chest upon it. Gently, mindfully, still aware of the sensation that first appeared on the staircase. As you grow closer, you see that the chest has a space for a small gemstone to be set in, although it is empty now. Bring your hands to your forehead and imagine filling them with the sensation and power of your third eye, perhaps glowing with a deep blue or indigo light. Allow your hands to rest on the lid of the chest and feel your innate power flow into the gold, warming it, waking it. The chest glows briefly with the light, your light, and then you feel your power rushing back to you, multiplied by 100. The chest is the same, except the space for the gem is now filled with a small sapphire, identical to the ones that line the walls. You now may open the chest. Take a moment to clear your mind, breathing in and exhaling all your expectations. When you are ready, swing open the lid and see what lies inside. When you have come to fully understand what lies in the chest in front of you, allow yourself to continue to another. You may open as many or as few chests as you like, for now you have the knowledge and power to return to this place whenever you like. Allow yourself the luxury of taking your time. You feel a gentle tug at the center of your being and realize it is your physical body calling you back to the present. Give yourself a moment to absorb whatever wisdom this last chest contains and close the lid. Allow your newly awakened third eye to lift your spiritual body, carrying you up the stairs, through the room with the tree, and up further and further, until you are back where you began. In your own time, take a deep breath and let your eyes slide open gently. You are ready to share your wisdom and intuition with the world.